Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. So today I'm back here at the southwest Las Vegas Valley, just west of the 15. And we're going to be touring this lovely home by Lennar. And this is a gated neighborhood, as you can see right here. Now these lot sizes are going to be about 1/4 of an acre. There's less than about 50 lots that are available. You're not going to get this kind of land on this side of town, okay? Now, the HOAs here are going to run you about $210 a month. I know it's pretty steep, but I mean, again, you get a lot of land. Now, the base price, the starting price is $732,990. This one is 3,776 square feet. It is a single story, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, and a 3-car garage. Okay. Now, this is the estates at Silverado Valley, and this is the Williams model. So we're going to take a look at this property in detail. I love the fact that you do get the pavers here. And I love the Traverse LED lights right underneath the garage door. These are 8-foot garage doors. Here's your side of the home here. As you can see, what we have are solar panels. Now with Lennar, there are some communities that do have solar panels. I prefer not to have a solar panel. I feel that it is a waste of money. Love the fact that you do have the pest control system right here. Cox cable has been hooked up. Here's your gas line. We have a 2-inch gas line right here into the home. Remember, when it comes to your gas line, you need to make sure you have a thick enough gas line. Typically comes with an 1-inch gas line, right? But this home is over 3,000 square feet, so you have a 2-inch gas line here. Love the trims. You have wood fascia boards. Now, a lot of you guys know that Lennar, what you see is pretty much what you get, right? That's what I like about this builder. So you're going to have the remote lock here. So as we enter the property, coming through the, lock this up, French doors there, I'm sorry. Look how open floor plan this is. And what's great about this is the outside gives you that traditional look, but then you have that contemporary floor plan. This is a large kitchen. Look at this. I mean, there's a couple things that have been upgraded here. The cabinets, the countertops, the chef's kitchen. This is a gourmet package kitchen right here with the built-in. Wow. I love the straight edge cornering. Love that baseboard too. Look how big those baseboards are. Those are like a 10-inch baseboards. Love this built-in refrigerator. Let's see what brand this refrigerator is. Monogram. And Monogram is from GE. Okay. Get your walk-in pantry. Wow, this is a huge pantry. Take a look at that. I'm going to swing back around here. And I love these standard shelves here. They hold very well as far as like weight-wise. The texture here, you're going to see it is a Sqft texture here. Now, what you'll notice is in the wet areas like the kitchen, the bathrooms, the paint has a clear coat to it. So we have your convection microwave here. Beautiful. Look at this. Actually connects through Wi-Fi too as well. I do love that. Let's take a look at this drawers. I bet you they got standard drawers here though. Oh, dang. They upgraded it with the dovetails. Undermounted glides. Look at that. Soft closing cabinets. They definitely did an upgrade on the quartz countertops here. And also, look at this stove. That is a beautiful stove. And you got the pot filler. I'm not going to touch this pot filler because last time I touched the pot filler, I broke it. Love that hood right there. Wow. 42 upper cabinets with a 3-inch crown. Okay. Love the hardware on it. It's beautiful. Beautiful backsplash. Now let's take a look at this island here. See what we got. Okay. Let's take a look at the garbage disposal. What are we working with on the garbage disposal? It looks like Focus Plumbing. I noticed that Focus Plumbing now is also, they do framing as well. That is a huge company. All right, let's see what we got here. Very large dining area. Love that. So you got the vinyl windows. You got an 8-foot slide here, which is really nice. Takes you out to the back. Guess we'll go back out there right now. You know what? We can't because it's actually locked, believe it or not. Very large kitchen. I mean, not kitchen, living room. You got 10-foot ceilings too as well. Wow, look at this. Just take it all in. Beautiful, right? Let's see what we got back here. So you got a beautiful 12-foot slide, but it looks like they locked all this up, but I'm gonna see if I can pry this up here. Oh, I can't do it. I'm gonna rip my nail out. So as you can see, the backyard is about 1/4 of an acre. You got the traverse light ceilings, right? Love the flooring here. Look at this flooring. And that is basically tile. So technically this would be your formal dining. As you can see, they do have the chandelier pre-wire right there, the J-box. This is definitely a large house. Let's go this way here. So it looks like on this spec they are doing transfer grills. Let me come down. Wow. This has like a little den area. Definitely I would add some can lighting because you can see how dark it is right here, that's for sure. I get another view on this side. That's the only thing about Lennar. They don't really add too many can lights, and the reason why is because they want to show you what you kind of get, standard with the home. We have a queen size bed here. This room is probably 12 by 12 or 12 by 13, and it's a really decent size here on this room. Love the doors here. Those are some nice doors, actually. So on this one, has a bathroom, which is a Jack and Jill. You got the 24 by 12 on the tile, or 12 by 24 with a 6-inch stagger. You got a beautiful, right, Petrofinia countertop here. Come into the bathroom. Oh, I love that high toilet. This standard tub is one of my favorite standard tubs on this right here. Tub shower combo. One thing I definitely would add, and you can add with this builder, is the sliding glass door here. So here's the other bedroom. All the doors in here are 8-foot doors, I'm sorry. Let's go this way. Here we go. Beautiful high ceilings. But as you can see, there's really no light in here because there's just no can lighting. It's just all J-boxes. And what J-boxes are all pre-wire. They'll run you about $150 all the way to $200 now, depending on which builder you are dealing with. Okay, let's go this way. So many rooms. Room number 3. Oh, that's nice. This one is a suite, which is perfect. Oh, that's a cool picture right there. Let's take a look at this suite. So you have some standard synthetic carpet. Again, you're coming into 12 by 24 on the tile, 6-inch stagger. You got the standard fiberglass tub, all one piece. And I believe these are Moen fixtures. This faucet here is definitely a upgrade here. Let's take a look at the sink underneath. And what I like about these fixtures here with these toilet racks, this just pulls up right here. Isn't that kind of cool? Instead of the old school one, you like tuck them in with a spring. Great idea, huh? Alright, let's go back this way here. You know, I'm going to walk this way. We have a thermostat here. As big as this home is, right? 3,700 square feet. So remember, 1 ton covers 400 square feet. So you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So to be on the safe side, on this home, you probably want to check if you have a 10-ton unit. So I'd probably have 2, right, condensers. But also, depending on the airflow of the home, the blower motor may not have enough power to blow air to the supply lines equally. Okay, so this is a 3-car garage. We can't get into there. Here's your coat closet. And here's your bathroom. I love how high those baseboards are. And this is just a public restroom right here. And what I love about this is, check this out. This is the laundry room, right? Now, with Lennar, Lennar is stepping up their game when it comes to the smart home technology. Right here, this is a 48-inch panel. Oh, I can't even open it. Which is great. I love this. Washer, dryer, right here. That's not included, but okay. And it looks like they have the soft water, not the soft water, but the tankless water heater hooked up to that. Now, I love the sink. I love the cabinets here. One thing I want to tell you about when it comes to the hot water, all right, the softener, I'm sorry, the hot water tank, or the tankless hot water heater, okay? They have this system that you can add to it, right? It's like an anti-selfin, I was gonna say valve. I forget the proper name of it. I think it's I can't even say it right now. Losing my train of thought. Anti-siphon valve. There you go. You big dummy. Well, the reason why you want that is because if you have a tankless water heater, right, you want to make sure, as big as this home, you don't have to wait forever for the hot water to go, right? Because you have these lines inside your walls. The anti-siphon valve, every once in a while, it's going to run and circulate that hot water. So that way, when you are ready to use the hot water, you don't have to sit here and wait. That's an upgrade that I definitely would do. You can also do that with the hot water heater tank too as well. Now, typically the other thing I want to show you is that what builders are doing now, it's pretty common, is that the toilet, let me show you where the toilet is. Now, for some apparent reason, this home does not have sprinkler systems, but technically in code, you have to have the sprinkler systems, but I believe that's only in the city of Henderson. But what they're doing is on the sprinkler system, every time you flush the toilet, right, it circulates all that water. And the reason why it does that is so that way you don't have moldy and dirty water in your lines, right? Because sometimes what happens is if there's a fire and your sprinkler system goes off, you don't want to have stinky and moldy water, right? Oh, check this out. I've been wearing shorts now. I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but it's getting hot. The weather's great. It's about 87 degrees. Wow, I love how they put this bench right here in the corner. This is gorgeous. Ooh, this is a thick glass. I love this. Half inch glass, which is great. Look at this. Love that bench. And shower head. You also got that rainfall too right there too as well. They did a really good job. Some of this stuff is not like top notch. I mean, you got this fiberglass tub right here. Now, what I like about this closet is, look how huge this closet, right? You have that door that takes you out to the laundry room, which is great. Love that. I'm gonna walk back over here. Man, this rocker switch is crooked. See, these are the kind of things I look at. See this? I don't know if you guys can see that. That would drive me nuts. And I love these high toilets. But yeah, typically every time you flush the toilet, all the dirty water inside that fire line washes through here. So that way you're constantly cleaning it, which is a great system. I don't know who thought of that, but that's great. Wow, look at this. You have like a retreat in the master. Then you got the yoga. I think this is yoga stuff, right? I don't know. What's up, everybody? All right, look how huge this master is. Let's see if I can sneak outside. If they locked it. Ah, look at that. I just wanted to show you guys outside. Yeah. But anyway, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys can see yourselves living here. Because I definitely could. I mean, this is a little bit too big for me. But other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. From the bottom of my heart, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. And have a blessed day.